everyone, Stephanie here. So, I have a haul, of course, from TJ Maxx. I got some stuff. Well, I'm just gonna, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do the makeup and skincare and beauty stuff in this video, and then in the next video, I will do shoes and bags and clothes and stuff like that, all right? So we'll just break it up for now, for like that, okay? Excuse me. So I have been making multiple trips, looking for certain items, y'all. I haven't found exactly what I wanted, but I have found other stuff, clearly. So let me show you what I grabbed. And oh, by the way, I don't know. I tried to flat iron my hair. So I don't know, y'all, what's happening with it, but it is what it is, okay? So let's just go with it. So I saw this really cute, I guess it's a lip scrub, exfoliating lip scrub mask. Okay, I saw that. I thought it was cute. And what kind do you get in here? You get vitamin C. Let's see, vitamin C, moisturizing, ultra moisturizing, and exfoliating. Okay, I thought it was really cute. Love the colors of it. Really cute, and it was $3.99. So I thought that was a good deal. I want to try that. What brand is this? Oh, Clinical Works. All right, so we like that. We got some palettes, of course. I mean, I can't walk out of the store without palettes. I mean, that would just be rude, right? So I found this in the clearance, y'all. It's called What Acne Clarifying Facial Scrub. So by the Cream Shop. So I said I'm gonna give it a try, and it was only $4.50. So we'll see. All right, so that's what I got. Always check the clearance, y'all, because the clearance always have really good stuff, especially something that's not opened or anything like that. Really, really good tip. So. And then I found this Proactive Eye Brightening Serum. Okay. And it was $5.99. All right. So I have loved Proactive for a long time, for years, on and off for years and years I used it. So I really like their stuff. And then this is what it looks like. Like a little tube or whatever. Okay. So, all right. So got that. I love new skincare. All right, kind of random here. See, let's put this over there. I have this Chow. I love to say Chow, especially on my other channel. I always say Chow. By Vince Camuto. This smells really, really good, y'all. Really good. This body spray. She smells good. Let's put a little on her. She smells. Smells delicious. Smells sexy. It's a very sexy smell. Chow. I have another one. I forgot what the other one was called. This is a fragrance mist. And how much was this? $7.99. Okay, $7.99. So, I love their, what is it? The body, girl, I can't think. The body sprays. I love those. I am losing my mind. And sorry, I'm taking, my table is shaking, y'all. I'm sorry. Let's see. All right, so we got this Jacqueline Cosmetics Rogue Romance palette. It's a blush palette, y'all. Okay, and it was $9.99. And I actually saw this on. It's a matte blush palette, by the way. Okay, just so you know, I saw this on TikTok. Somebody opened it on TikTok, and I was like, I hope I find that. So here it looks. Let's check the colors. It has the colors on the side there, so you can see. Okay. You see that? You can pause the video and look at that. But I'm going to open it for you. Show it to you real quick. I thought these colors would look really good on me. Beautiful colors. Really beautiful. And look at the, it's got a beautiful mirror in it too. All right. So here, let's see. Look at that. That's beautiful. Those colors are gorgeous. The only one I don't know. I mean, looking at it here, I could probably use all of these, but I was thinking this one I probably couldn't use because it's too fair, but the rest of these I can probably use, So, those are beautiful. And for $10. Wow. And then you get the really pretty little mirror inside of there. So, all right. Really cute. $10. I love it. So, I ended up getting this palette by Norvina. It's a Pro Pigment palette. Okay. It was $19.99. I don't usually pay for palettes that expensive. See, here's the price, $19.99. Okay, I loved it, so that's why I got it. All right, let's open it and see. There's like 3 of these, I think. There's like a turquoise color, an orange color and this purple. For now, that's all I saw, okay? So this is what it looks like when you open it. It's gorgeous. The packaging, absolutely beautiful. So let me open it. Wait till y'all see these colors. Wait a minute. Y'all gonna say, oh my goodness. All right, so let's look at the colors. Look at these colors. Aren't they gorgeous? Absolutely gorgeous. Just beautiful colors. So we love those. You know, I liked some of the other palettes, y'all, but I have a lot of some of those other colors. I tend to gravitate toward, you know, towards colors like this. You know, so, and then look at this mirror. That mirror is everything. Like, that's everything. If you can take that with you and when you travel and just have a nice big mirror, that's fabulous. All right, so I got that. And this was all on multiple trips. This wasn't on one trip, just by the way. We're talking about 3 or 4 or 5 trips, maybe, you know. So, and then here, look, I just recently got this one. This one is by Revolution, one of my favorite brands. This is called Color Book. Okay, this was $4.99. And I wasn't sure about it when I first got it. I said, okay, well, if I hate it, I guess I could take it back, right? So, I'll wait till y'all see these colors. They're gorgeous. All right, so it came like that. That's what it looks like when you take it out of the package. Okay. Absolutely beautiful. It looks like a book. Okay. So here's the color book. Look at that. Look at these colors, y'all. Just beautiful. Okay, beautiful. I don't know about these yellows and these colors here. I'm not sure about, you know. I'm not sure, but you know what? For $4.99, we could try it, right? So, but I love, you know what? Oh, hold on, y'all. Dropping it. I love these. These here, like these 3 here and these 3. I love those. These, okay. They're just okay, but I really love that. And look at this, y'all. It has a little like flap in here so you can flip it and use the other side. Okay. So there's like there's mattes on one side, okay, and then shimmers on the other. Okay. So that's really pretty. Really, really pretty. It's a beautiful palette. Really pretty. It's hard to open though. Oh my God. Okay, y'all. So that is, yeah, that's the other ones there. Gorgeous colors. All right. I had trouble opening it. Some of it flaked off here. So I think that's all the makeup I have. If I have anything else, I'll just put it in with the clothes and stuff. All right. So that is it. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave it below and I'll answer, get back to you. And check out my Linktree link. You can see the links to my Etsy shop, my other YouTube channel, Stephanie Garrett, and, you know, a bunch of other stuff that I have going on. All right. So definitely give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to grow this channel. All right. I'll have lots more things coming. All right. So thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.